Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on POCO X6. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And then click on this application and click install. And then click open, and then click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions and click on AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again, and now click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.